Okay. I would like to thank you, Doctor, and if I can have your name.
My name is Fernand Cohen Tanuji. I'm team leader of the NGO Rescuers Without Borders, and I want to say in Hebrew for you, Drishat Shalom, all my words of peace from here, the frontier, Medica, here in Poland, to all the Jewish community in Toronto and all over the world. That we are here to help because we have to be the light of the nation, and here we are to help today.
Doctor, thank you very much. I don't know how to thank you and your team, and for what you're doing.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
The words cannot express. Thank you, sir. Thank you. Дякую.